Here's Cody with the bird on his hand.
Let's see if we can get some of your friends to come too. These are all wild, by the way.
You can see him bite at me a little bit, maybe.
That one's not scared at all. Do you think that's the one that plays with you usually, Phil?
Good
one of them.
bird.
It's one of them.
Doesn't really mind at all.
The one that
Stumpy.
plays most has got
Hi, Stumpy.
some scars on the right-hand side of his head.
Oh, okay.
Go away, Chook.
That one's called Stumpy because you can see he doesn't have a leg.
And
Ooh, wow.
Stumpy
That's some
will
good
land
footage,
on
Whitney. I'd get the rainbow this close.
Oh yeah, the rainbows usually don't come in this close.
Yeah, last time I don't think we ever had one come near this close.
You wanna play? Wanna play? Yeah?
Did you ever get the rainbows again in your hand?
Yeah,
You have to try.
but they won't play. They've thought about it, but they just